In the livestock feed industry, corn constitutes about 60% of the feed, and it contains approximately 70% starch on a dry matter basis. At RGS Feeds, we only source high-quality maize, which is free from toxins and fungus. Moreover, our R&D ensures the corn becomes a premium balanced feed as Chola Carb, power maize feed for your cows. Chola Carb is a pellet-type feed made from 100% corns and special additives for cattle. Our animal nutritionist has specially formulated Chola Carb to give your cattle the much-needed strength, weight gain, and become a catalyst for higher milk yield. Chola Carb is a rich source of carbohydrates and protein for your cattle and enhances cattle resistance to diseases. Benefits of Chola Carb: 100% toxic-free, high energy, easy digestibility, rich in starch and vitamins, good quality milk yield. For over 4 decades, we have been continuously working on our feeds to improve farm productivity and farmers' profitability. Chola Carb, power maize feed for your cows. RGS Feeds. We know your livestock better.